Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, there's been shock and outrage following the daring daylight murder of a Portmore St. Catherine politician.
Councillor for the South Borough Division, Ainsley Parkins, popularly known as Tyson, was shot and killed in the area this morning.
Anthony Lugg has the details.
Onlookers gathered as investigators combed the area searching for clues in South Borough, Portmore St. Catherine Thursday morning. Councillor for the South Borough Division, Ainsley Parkins, popularly known as Tyson, was shot multiple times while in his vehicle along Laurel Road sometime before 10.
We can't say how many persons were involved. A police patrol was in close vicinity, heard the explosion, responded. When they came, they found him slumped in the front of his vehicle, leaning toward the passenger seat.
Mr. Parkins was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. It's early days yet, but already there has been speculation about what could have led to his demise. Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey dismissed those claims.
We have no such evidence at this time. As I said, it's early days and we are not going to make any assumption. We will do an investigation and we are very open in our approach to this investigation.
Mr. Parkins has been the serving councillor since 2012. He was very vocal about issues affecting the people of South Borough and surrounding communities. This was Mr. Parkins at the latest sitting of the Portmore Municipal Corporation.
The ultrasound, the MRI, people have to pay up to $200,000 for one of those scans. Chairman, our people are suffering within the parish/Jamaica.
As investigators try to find the people responsible for the killing, it's expected that the security forces will increase their presence in the area.
We have assembled a top-level team headed by CIB headquarters and the Major Investigation Division to lead on this investigation. I am appealing to members of the public who may have seen or heard anything to call us at 311 or 811 with any information that you have.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.